Hi there, it's your Sewing Sherpa Shauna at Needles and Knots here in Tucson, Arizona. And this is your introduction to the jeans workshop series. And the dogs are running wild. I'm doing my best to ignore them. I hope you can too. We're back here in my little design room, and I am excited about this jeans series. I was having trouble deciding how to do it because jeans are quite a challenge to make. Especially if you're trying to cram it into like some super intensive weekend. So I decided that instead of cramming it into a weekend, why not just spread it out? So I did. And we're going to have the jeans workshop is 5 separate sessions, each session kind of focusing on a different part of the jean. And the first session, though, it's not actually part of the 5-part session. It's a preparatory session, which I'm excited about because I think that's the hardest part of almost any project. It's just like, how do you prepare for it, right? Especially jeans that have so many moving parts to them. So the preparation session, we're going to go over selecting patterns, selecting the right fabric for the pattern that you chose, making sure that that fabric is the right fabric for the sewing machine that you own. Then picking the right needle for the fabric and the right thread for the needle and stuff like that. And options for jeans, because jeans don't just have to be out of denim. We tend to like to make them out of denim, but they can be other things. Resources for your fabrics and your patterns and your findings and things like that. So it's going to be a great session. It's open to anybody who's thinking about making a pair of jeans, not just people who sign up for the actual workshop. So I put like 20 people can sign up for that because it's actually going to be like, no sewing, so we can just sit around the tables. And then the actual workshop only seats 7 people, and that's the maximum that we can have here in the studio. So the other thing is that if you sign up for the series, you get the preparation workshop absolutely free. So I will send you a discount code in the confirmation email, so make sure you check your email. A lot of my emails go to spam. And anyways, give me a holler if you don't get that. It's going to be a really fun series. I'm looking forward to it. And you've got a whole month between the preparation workshop and the actual series to pull all your stuff together and get ready to sew. I hope that you can make it. And either way, keep on sewing.